method, static void nothing, do nothing, an empty method that performs no action. Sometimes use a spaceholder. Number 12, function using while loop. Countdown, a while loop that counts down from 3 to 1, printing each other. Number 13, do while example. Ensure once a do while loop that print run once at least one time if the condition is of fails. 14, method with object parameter. Static, print class name. Print class name, objective. Print the class name of the given object using get class. Number 15, return null. Get nothing, return null, demonstrate returning a null value, useful when no valid value exists. 16, valid method with no output. Silent function, another void method that extensionally does nothing and has no output. 17, function calls another method names inner, demonstrate how one function can call another. Number 18, static void inner. Print inner called by author. 19, return boolean input. Example of method overloading, same name but different parameter. Number 20, print loop using enhance for on list. Print list uses an enhance for loop for each to print each item in the list. 21, simple setter. Set flag, set a message showing that a flag is set to true or false. Number 22, simple gather. Return true a simple